how to make a leaf and a stem. Make a slip knot and chain 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 32, 33, 34, 35. Slip stitch on the third chain from hook. 1, 2, 3. Single crochet on the next stitch. Half double crochet on the next stitch. Double crochet on the next stitch. Double crochet again on the next stitch. Double crochet on the next stitch twice. So actually there's 2 double crochets on the same stitch. Then half double crochet on the next stitch. Single crochet on the next stitch. After the single crochet, make a single crochet and turn the work, so you're actually making a single crochet on the other side of the chain. So then single crochet again opposite the single crochet, then half double crochet on the next stitch, then double crochet on the next stitch, then 2 double crochet on the next stitch, then double crochet on the next stitch, half double crochet on the next stitch, and single crochet on the next stitch. Then turn to the other side of the leaf, chain 1, single crochet on the next single crochet, and single crochet all the way across the edge of the leaf. I put 2 double crochet in that stitch to prevent it from curling. So single crochet there, then 2 single crochet there again to prevent the leaf from curling in. Then single crochet on the chain and single crochet all the way across on each stitch. On the last stitch, make a slip stitch, and this is the end, and we will break off the yarn and hide the yarn tail.